Hello children, good morning to you all. So today I will teach you how to draw a mushroom. So first you will take a small curve towards up and then you will go to your right side with a small curve. You can see it looks just like a mountain. Now you will join both the curves from the left and from the right. You will make a small curve and then join both. Now you will draw a small curve on your left side. And a small curve down on your right side. And then you will join both from the down side. After this, you will draw two small circles. The small circles are for the cute eyes of the mushroom. And for the nose, you will draw a small slipping line and then a small half circle down. Then 3 small circles inside the eye. 1, 2 and 3. The same goes on the next eyes. You'll draw 1 circle, another circle and the third circle. And after that, you will color only outside the circle. You will not color inside the circle. The same you will do to the next eye. You will color only outside the circle. You will not color inside the circle. And now we will draw many small circles